everyone, welcome back to Global Creative Design. In today's tutorial, we will explore the selection tool in Adobe Illustrator. This tool is one of the most important features, and knowing how to use it will make your designing process very easy. So let's start. The selection tool is located at the very top of the toolbar on the left. You can also activate it by pressing the shortcut key V on your keyboard. The main function of the selection tool is to select and move objects. For example, if you click on a rectangle, you will see a blue border appear around it. This border tells you the object is selected. Once the object is selected, you can click and drag it anywhere on the artboard. Notice the small handles around the selected object. These are called bounding box handles. With the selection tool, you can use these handles to resize the object. Simply click on a corner and drag inward to make the object smaller or outward to make it larger. If you hold the shift key while resizing, it keeps the proportion of the object intact. You can also rotate the object by moving your cursor near the corner until it changes into a rotate icon. Then click and drag to rotate the object in any direction. If you want to select more than one object, you can click and drag to create a selection box around the objects. All the objects inside the box will be selected. Once selected, you can move, resize, or rotate them together. To deselect everything, just click anywhere on the blank space of the artboard. Another handy tip is grouping objects. If you are working with multiple objects that you want to keep together, select them and go to Object in the menu bar. Then choose Group. Once grouped the objects as a single unit, making it easier to move and manipulate them. You can ungroup them later by going to the same menu and selecting Ungroup. And that's how the selection tool works in Adobe Illustrator. It's a simple but powerful tool that you will use all the time while designing. Practice selecting, moving, resizing, and grouping objects to get comfortable with it. If you found my tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks. In the next video, we will explore the direct selection tool, which gives you even more control over your designs.